My grandfather is the coolest man ever. It's not only because he laughs hardest at his own jokes, it's also because he wears shirts like this, with bicycles on it, and he wears pants with fabric like this on the inside. Isn't that amazing? And I'm very happy that my grandfather is still alive, but I live a bit far, so I don't see him often. So I've decided to use these two fabrics to make a mini memory quilt. So even when I'm not close to him, he's always with me a little bit when I'm drinking tea or yeah, it's like a lasting memory of him. But I'm not going to make this quilt alone. I want to give you the opportunity as well to make a lasting memory based out of some clothes you have, be it from a festival or a family member or a friend that's very dear to you. And beginning of April we're going to do that in a quilt along, and you can follow me or subscribe to the newsletter and you'll become a part of it, and it will be online, and yeah, everybody can join.